Hello. Today we will show how to load the content of a file into blob field. We have already created a directory and SQL Server connection. Let us create new transformation. Assigning data reader properties. Source type is file system. Connection name is images. Read file content must be checked. There is no need for validator. Assigning data writer properties. The target type is Microsoft SQL Server. Let us truncate the table before loading the data. Mapping data. As usual, automap function saves a lot of time. Ready to process the data. All done. Thank you for watching.